Did you know? Standing still is part of canine risk evaluation before movement. For your curiosity, crocodiles often ignore birds that help clean parasites or are harmless observers. This confident approach shows how this baboon adapts behaviorally to human activity.
I just realised he doesn't want to play with you, Vicky.
These white tigers reflect both innate curiosity and learned experience gained in a human-influenced environment.
Hello.
For many dogs, the ocean is both a playground and a sensory wonderland.
That is so cool.
A single cuddle can trigger a kitty's attachment system, driving persistent attention-seeking behavior.